In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix extra security step is required problem on Instagram. So this problem might be caused because of a suspicious login or any other suspicious activity on Instagram. So what you have to do is ensure you've enabled the two-factor authentication and other security measures. So first of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. What you have to do is tap on this option Account Center that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Under the section for account settings, tap on this option Password and Security. Now you'll be able to access various options related with password and security. Over here at second, you'll be able to find this option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it. Now tap on the account in which you want to set up the two-factor authentication. Now you can see over here you'll be able to see various options. You can simply tap on any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option Authentication App. I've already enabled this option. If you haven't enabled, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to enable it. After that your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try checking for the update. There might be some bugs in the application. So launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you can see over here you'll be able to search for the app. Type in Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Instagram and tap on it. Now tap on the update option that you can see on the screen. After a while, Instagram application will be updated and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Instagram application and install it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some trouble in the device itself. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem can be solved. So that is how you fix additional security step required on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.